Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add automatic bullet list table in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add automatic bullet list in table. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click. Then click for table option. Now select one row and columns. Now resize your table. Now select from a table. Now click for a border option. Now click for all border. Then we can say add automatic bullet list table. Now select from any columns. Now going to the home menu option. Then click for a bullet list option. Now select from bullet list. That's it. Now you can see select from other table row option. Now going to home menu option, then click on bullet list option. Now select from bullet list. That's it. Now you can say add automatic bullet list table in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for